Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or how you can change your computer screen brightness in Windows 11. You can see some of times in taskbar there will be no brightness changing icon over here. How you will going to find it? It's very simple. Simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will find the option called settings. If you click on the settings, then you will need to go for the personalization, and then you will get an option called dynamic lights. So if you click on that, then you will get an option called brightness over here. If you can simply turn it down and turn it up by your choice. But if it's not working in your computer or in your monitor, then be sure in your monitor there will be a dedicated brightness increase and decrease section in your monitor backside. So this is how you can increase and decrease brightness into your windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.